In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new participants in Basecamp, whether you're bringing a new teammate on board, looping in a client, or adding an external collaborator. Getting people into the right place from the start makes your projects run much more smoothly. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to click and what information you'll need. First, make sure you're on your Basecamp home screen. If you're not already there, look for the Home option in your main navigation and click it. This is your central hub, where you can see all your projects, teams, and activity. Starting from home helps ensure you're in the right place to manage people and invitations, instead of being buried inside a specific project. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top right area of the page for a button labeled Invite People. The exact position can vary slightly depending on your screen size, but it's almost always in that upper right corner. Go ahead and click that. This is the main gateway for adding anyone new to your Basecamp account. After clicking, you'll be asked to choose the type of person you're inviting. Basecamp usually gives you a few options, such as an employee or team member, a client, or an outside collaborator. Take a moment to pick the role that best matches how this person will work with you. For example, employees will typically see more internal communication, while clients or outside collaborators may have more limited access. Choosing the correct type from the start helps keep permissions clean and avoids confusion later. Next, you'll fill in their details. Enter the person's name and email address carefully, since the email is where their invitation will be sent. You can also add their job title and company. These extra fields are helpful for keeping your Basecamp organized, especially if you work with multiple organizations or large teams. Try to be consistent with how you enter titles and company names so everything looks neat and searchable. When everything looks good, you're ready to send the invitation. Click the button labeled Send Invitations or Email Invitation Now, depending on what you see. Basecamp will then email the person with a link to join your account or project. If they don't see it right away, remind them to check their spam or promotions folder. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly add the right people to Basecamp and keep your projects moving forward.